You keep on grinding on me, you must like what you've been feeling. You say you got a man, but
Well, hello lovelies. Are you ready to get into the Lamesha Vine effect? Because I am. Today you're going to be learning some hip-hop choreography that you can take anywhere you want to go.
Please say a word, better come through correct. Cause the upper on stage with a show on lit. Won't stop till the triple D back on top. I do this for the haters till their eyes go pop. Every time I hit the booth it's going down like Jock. Last time I hit a test fell down like a rock. I'm dangerous hot like a throw to a pot. Ice pack on thighs from the monetary knot. Been gone for a while, move around while I work. I'm the big homie now, so I'm calling C-check.
This is the Lamesha Vine effect dance exercise performance. I'm going to say performance because I am going to let you breathe and live in your living room as if you were in your own music video. You're going to be performing as if you were with Beyonce herself. So, with that being said, I'm going to take you on set with me to teach you the choreography so that you can perform it and live out your wildest fantasies. Are you ready? Ow! Thank you. That was so cheesy. Thank you for tuning in to Behind the Scenes on the Lamesha Vine Effect Dance Exercise Project. I'm Lamesha Vine. I am in the process of getting ready to go on set right now. I'm getting ready to shoot my first scene, which is the tutorial of the hip-hop combination. And I'm really excited that everybody's here, Tiffany Tynes and Another Funny One Productions, and everybody who's helping out. I'm so excited. My dancers, Shika and Nat.
Tiffany, what are we doing here?
Why would you do that right when What's up guys? It's Tiffany. My name's Tiffany. And I'm really excited to be producing Lamesha's first dance fitness video. You're wrong. So I'm producing. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. It's gonna be an amazing shoot and we can't wait for you guys to check it out. Going back to the fruit.
Hi, I'm Jenny. I'm just helping her with foods so that she has a bit of water and food for today. And yeah, I'm just excited to see her finally doing this. Peace out.
I don't know what I'm doing here.
I'm going to have two dancers come in and that are going to push you to your ultimate limit. I'm going to repeat that last line. I'm going to have two dancers who are professionals to come in and give you a run for your money. This is just going to be a phenomenal experience, so I can't wait for you guys to see the finished product. And they're both excited and ready to be here, aren't they? Yes, they're so cute and nice and clean and fresh. Unlike moi, but that's all right. Still look good, we're going for it. And what's gonna happen is we're gonna end up going over there where the magic is gonna happen. I don't know if you can see it, but it's over there. So we're gonna do a hip hop combination, which is gonna take you through different levels of beginner, intermediate, and advanced choreography, which is gonna give you a total body workout. It's gonna work your abs, it's gonna work your legs, it's gonna build your confidence, and it's gonna build your endurance. So stay tuned. It's all like one long stretch of choreography. I'm just breaking it down so they'll know that this is like beginner and then that's like intermediate and then that's the advanced part.
Okay, cool.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I don't know. Bam. All right, here we go. These
We
ladies.
should come on this side.
Yeah. It's a
I
triangle.
should come.
Yep.
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah.
Yeah. What should be on your side?
Okay.
Yeah, perfect. So the actual dancing.
Perfect. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so here we go. All right, so here we go. 7, 8, 1, and 3, 4. Woo! I know I'm snapping loud, but hey, feel it. All right, we're gonna take all of that.
Well, I wanted to do a concept.
I was holding my breath the whole time. I just ate a sandwich.
Hey, what's up? My name is Nat. I'm here for the Lamesha Vine Effect newest visual concept flash workout video, and I'm pretty darn excited to be a part of it. And the lady here in that chair is the woman that's in charge of all of this, and I'm so appreciative of her and so excited to be a part of this project.
And step, what you got? That's all right. We mess up, but we're gonna be Where we going? Chick? We turning it. You really?
Alright, Corey.
No, don't repeat that part.
Jack, this guy.
We'll just start off with all the regular stuff. I can finish this one the first time.
You can use it every day.
Okay, yeah,
You want to make sure you're on the exact tempo.
right, and it'll give me the vibe I need to. Cool.
Hey, I'm Johnny and I'm doing sound on this production.
And if you could give your social security number, go ahead.
Yeah, that'll be,
Have you worked with Tiffany before?
no, I haven't,
Have you worked with Alex before?
so, nope.
How do you know Alex?
I'm working through Corey Nguyen. He
Corey.
brought me on the set, so.
Have you shot with Corey before?
I have shot with Corey before, and really helpful dude. Helped me out with getting a lot of experience, so happy to be here today.
But for camera, it looks good. It doesn't look. No, I'm telling you, it doesn't look like. You don't want to look like you're not getting a sweat. If that makes sense.
That's true too.
You know what I mean?
Right.
That's why we don't want you. Oh, sorry. That's why we don't want her to be too. She shouldn't be too dry because we don't want it to be like, oh my God, she's not sweating anymore.
Right. Good. Just feel that music. All right. Jermaine is my music man. He messing up on that.
Let's cut.
Jermaine got one job to do.
But technically now it's two.
No, he don't. He only got one job. Don't be flicking it over there to him. He over there, her hair's messed up while the music's on count 50. Like, where we at in music?
Sometimes there's ghosts in the building. I had it on camera.
So
Ain't no ghost.
They're just dancing.
But I appreciate Jermaine. They're comfortable. I had to wear them on Friday and for the photo shoot. Yeah. And then I got makeup and everything all on it. Had like tan stuff on my legs, and then it got through the seam and
On those sheets?
Yeah. Well, I had on like athletic wear, so I put like bronzer on my legs.
Okay.
And then I didn't wash it off, so I just put these on over the bronzer.
yeah.
So all of the bronzer came
And they came out though?
came out. Yeah. I went home and then washed them. I did it old school, washed them in the sink. I was like scrubbing and then rinsed them out, hung them over my shower head and let them dry.
Hey, I'm Alex. I am here co-producing this magical film tutorial, dance tutorial aerobic thing with Lamesha that she has started up. I've known Lamesha for a while now, and she always is great at what she does. She's a great dancer. And also she's from Texas, which is where I am from. So yeah, it's gonna be a great shoot and can't wait to see the rest of the project.
It's going fabulously.
Yes.
We have the tutorial section in the can, and now we're getting ready to do the music video portion. But at this moment, I have to go back and add in a warm-up because I didn't give them a warm-up. So I'm gonna give them a warm-up right about now. That's what we're doing. So I had to get nice and fresh and clean, get into another clean shirt, and she had to do a retouch on my makeup. And then we're ready to go.
This is like work on that to be nice.
It's that dreamy,
I was
Watch the cable.
You can like get the feel for it.
and put it behind the pillow.
Ah! Yeah, I'm giving you life, honey.
You said I'm gonna walk.
I am walking out of a dream and into reality.
Hey, yo, everybody, welcome.
So
Just don't
I
cry
was
myself.
thinking, yeah, you could do that, or you could do start like this, right? A little bit, whatever you want to do.
play with the sections here. Whatever you want to do, give it and move. You can give a little something here. You don't have time to go down to the splits.
Okay.
And just move on over. Okay? Just keep it together. Whatever you do, just take a deep breath. Just don't laugh. Don't go, oh, I forgot. Just breathe. You got it. Okay?
Okay.
Thank you. It looks great. It looks great.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's even more.
Keep moving and then you'll keep moving.
Very important.
And we're here.
Oh, okay.
And then action that.
And then once you get to her,
Yes.
keep going. I'm gonna stop here, but you keep going.
Oh,
Right.
can I pass front of her?
Pass
okay.
between
And
the
you'll
camera
just
and her.
keep giving an illusion.
Ah, okay.
6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
1, 2, 8, 2, 8.
When you come in behind me, just
To
on
it,
her
uh-huh.
yeah. Hold it like horizontal.
So each row has 4 8 counts.
Okay.
So the girls will meet you and then y'all all start together. Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay. All right, ready?
Find the child.
She found it.
All right, ready?
Yeah, we're ready.
Oh my gosh, it's in the can. My team and I did it. I'm so excited. Tiffany, Nat, Shenny, Jermaine, Chris behind the scenes, Corey, and the sound lovely guy with the beautiful curly hair, and everybody that was a part of this whole project. I am so grateful, and Kayla for doing makeup, and this lovely space. I'm just so excited to have had this thing come together, have a dream, and then have it to be reality. And I hope everybody out there tunes in and, you know, cops this whole DVD and makes it a part of their repertoire so they can do this choreography over and over and over again and build on it with the next project that I'm going to do for you guys. So thank you so much, and thank you for your support. I love you all. That's why you're my lovelies. So thank you very much.